an invitation will be sent to you. So click this one. So you can create an account, new account, or you can convert to the public one. Click create new account, then you will give username, password. So you will give a username, password, you will re-enter, then you will select security question in case you lost your password. Then you will click create. So here is my ArcGIS Online account. License. Here you can download ArcGIS Pro for እንደዚህ ይመጣል። ኦፍላይን እንዲሰራ ስንፈልግ ላይሰንሲንግ ቲክ ማድረግ